So as you all know, the Black Friday sales are there, so you are getting massive discounts in Hostinger. So additionally to it, I'm gonna tell you how you can get more discount using coupon code. So I will give you 20% coupon discount with a free domain. Now in many videos they will fool you, they will tell you 80%, 90% of these are just false things. 20% is the highest discount provided by Hostinger. So for this you have to click on the link that's there in the description and you will be redirected to this page. Now you have to choose your country. Now after it, what you have to do is, here you see this, the plans. Now don't go with the premium plan, it's waste of money. You see this, there is not enough features. Go with the business or cloud startup plan. Business, if you have a like decent website, if you have a decent blog, or you have a e-commerce store, small e-commerce store. Cloud startup plan, if you want to scale your website, if you have a website that has a lot of traffic, or in future you will get a lot of traffic, you have a e-commerce store, you can go with the cloud startup plan. Now the offer is valid for all these three plans. Now here what you have to do, you see this, the thing that I promised to you, 20% off. Now search the domain that you need. Okay, 1 year, choose it to 1 year. Now you see this, the domain is free. Now 48 months plan is good, like you are getting the hosting in $2 for like 48 plus 2 50 months, which is a great deal. Like because of the Black Friday sale, this offer is there. But if your budget is low, then you can go with the 12 months plan also. The offer is still there in the 12 months also. You see this, in the $36, in just $36 you are getting this offer, which is a great deal. Free domain and web hosting for 12 months. But if your budget is good, then go with the 48 months plan, which I suggest. Because if you compare the monthly prices, then in 48 months plan you will be definitely get benefit. 48 plus 2 50 months, so it will approximately cost you $2 per month, and free domain is also there, so it will save a lot of money. Now the condition is, this offer is only valid for new user. But if you are not a new user, then also you can avail this offer. There is a trick, the link that I have given to you in the description, copy that link, go with any other Google account, paste that link in the search bar. Now what you have to do, now you have to choose your plan and go for the payment, and after it you can also avail this offer. So this is the secret trick. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe my channel, because I have saved your money.